So now students, let's start the story. In the story, actually it has been started by the scene of a railway platform of a railway station, as Evelyn Glennie, the protagonist of our story, is having a journey at a very young age of her age when she was very young, only 17 years old. So actually how's the scene of generally of a railway station. It was actually rush hour crowds jostled for position on the underground train platform. So actually the underground train platform means to say that it would have been a metro railway station, underground metro, and on this is the scene of an underground railway platform where a slight girl means to say here a student is actually a small and thin. Look at it, in the meaning is actually given in your book, a small and thin girl. So with this we get to know that Evelyn Glennie was a small and thin girl, and he was looking where he was looking young, not looking there, but how she is looking. That's what she was looking younger than her 17 years. So it means to say that Evelyn Glennie was actually 17 years old. She was actually 17 years old, but she looks younger than her real age, though she was 17 years old. Oh yeah, this is S. Though she was 17 years old, but she looks even younger than 17 years also. And she was very obvious that she would be nervous, but she was excited as well. When you are nervous, when you are going to do something new, when you are going to do something excited, it's very obvious that you would be nervous, but you would be excited also that you are going to do what you want to do. But even though you had the desire of doing something, but nervousness is always there. So she was nervous, but at the same time she was excited also. She felt the vibration of the approaching train. And when you are sitting on a railway platform, on a railway station, when train approaches to the platform, we generally can feel the vibration of the train. So she also felt the vibration of the coming train, and it was actually her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. Actually, a student, we are getting to know that Evelyn Glennie was actually at a metro railway station. It means that she is going somewhere. Where she is going? She is actually going to the prestigious Royal Academy of Music, which is in London. So this music academy, which is in London, it's very prestigious. The word prestigious means something which is very honored, famous, on जो बहुत प्रतिष्ठित है, which is renowned. So the Music Academy of London actually is a very renowned one, and she is going there, and it is her first day there in that academy. It is her actually first day, and it would be quite daunting for any teenager. Daunting means something that scares you, something that make you afraid, frightening. If you are a boy, if you are a child, if you are a teenager, and then going to such a big university, such a big academy like Academy of Music in London, a teenager would be very nervous, or it would be a frightening thought for someone, but not for Evelyn Glennie, as she is facing a bigger challenge than a normal child generally face. Because why that so? Because she is a deaf. And when it is written that she is profoundly deaf, it means she is 100% completely deaf. She cannot hear anything at all.